Number 6. Hands-on with RAM Dance Toolkit. Let's try programming rules with Motion Capture System and RAM Dance Toolkit. Today, we use one of the pre-installed scenes called Big Box. With this scene, you can enlarge and bring our attention to the rotary motion of our joints. Once opening the Big Box, 18 sliders, each representing a joint, are prominently displayed. Diminish all the sliders. Choose 3 boxes randomly and display them in different sizes. Now, let's try to create a rule. One example is that one should walk by moving only one box without moving the other 2. Or, how about walking without moving any of the boxes? Immobilizing joints is a variation of that rule. It feels as if your joints are locked in the air. As you continue, you will come to realize that not moving joints doesn't mean you have to tense up the muscle around the joints. As a next step, try to relax around the joints gradually. After a tryout, you can reflect your experience on the programming. For instance, after experiencing how to relax around the joints, you can designate other parts of body and explore more. Here, the boxes are displayed on hands, elbows and shoulders. Observing their movements closely, you may come up with some simple rules. If you move these 3 joints in sequence while remembering to relax, you can create an undulating movement of the boxes. Now, how can we make the swell bigger? Let's rewrite the program a little bit. Right now, boxes are displayed in yellow. But if they change the color according the box's rotating speed, it might produce a different perception. How do we do that? Open the project file in RAM Dance Toolkit and look for the Big Box source code. Rewrite the code in the way the boxes change the color according to the rotation speed of arm joints. For big box scenes, information regarding dancers' joints is stored as variable number, node. This is where we rewrite the rotation speed. Each joint has a different number allocated. For example, left shoulder is number 14 and left wrist is number 16. Let's obtain the rotation speed data from number 14 to number 16 and number 19 to number 21. Obtain its absolute value for each axis x, y, z and add them up. Now, change the color of the boxes according to the value. If the value is smaller than 0.08, the outline will be displayed in white. Between 0.08 to 0.12, the box will be in pink. And when higher than 0.2, it will be in red. If this is done properly, white box should indicate slower rotation, whereas pink and red means more movements. To complete, we would need to set up a few things over the source code default setting. First, change the variable number for single color mode from true to false in order to enable the color of the box to change. Then, change the size of the box from 300 to 0, just to make it simple. When you depict boxes, set the size for both arms to 50. This enables only the boxes for arms to be displayed. Go ahead and activate the program. You can see how it shifts from not moving to relaxing and eventually becoming a sway. Adjusting the programming, you can create more textures. This is how you develop a movement. Through verbalizing and communicating your action and sharing the experience with other dancers and programmers, you can develop movements collectively. Repeating the cycle of verbalization and try out is the key to a satisfying result.